It's a sector of a circle of radius 30 subtends an angle of 42 degrees at the centre. Calculate the total perimeter. So we need the distance all the way around. So of course we know that's 30. We also know that's 30. We just need this arc here, yeah? So remember, to work out the arc length, we need the full circumference to start with. And circumference is pi times diameter, yeah? Pi d. And we don't want the whole circumference. We just want a fraction of it, and the fraction, 42 degrees out of 360, and we're going to times that then, because it's going to be this fraction of my circumference, okay? Which of course we know is the perimeter. It's the distance around the circle, and we call it the circumference, and that is formula there. So we want this fraction of pi d, so 42 out of 360 times 3.14 times the diameter. Now the radius is 30, so the diameter is going to be 60. So if I do that on my calculator, I get 21.98. So that will be the arc. So that is the arc, remember. But for the perimeter, I need then to add 21.98. I need to add then the 30 and the other 30 for these two sides, so I get 81.98 centimeters. Okay, for B, the sector of the circle of radius 30 has an area of 534, so you can see the area is written in there, and we've got to work out the size of angle X. So in this case, we've got to sort of work backwards, because we're told that the area is 534. Okay. Now remember, with the circle, we know the formula is pi r squared for area of a circle, but we don't want the whole circle. We only want part of the circle. Okay, not the whole circle. So the part will be the fraction. And to get the fraction, it will be this angle X out of 360 of the area of the circle. Okay, so the fraction will be X degrees out of the total of 360. That's the fraction of the area of the circle, pi r squared, which is 534. So we can put values in. So 3.14 for pi, and the radius is 30, so 30 squared, which is 534. And perhaps what I do next now is I would do x over 360 times, maybe we could work this out, yeah, because we could do 3.14 times 30 squared, which is 900, so we get 2826 here equals 534. And then it's a case of sort of reversing this to work out what x is. So I could then think, well, the 360 we're dividing, so on to balance them we take that over times by 360, and then we can divide by the 2826, and we can get our answer for x. So if I do that, 534 times 360 divide by 2826, and I get my answer to be 68 degrees.